Hi guys, I am Charity K. I am a wife and a mother of 3.
And most days, I don't even know what we're doing. I tend to walk into rooms and not remember why, but I do know that motherhood's not just about surviving, it's about flourishing, and it's what you forge it to be.
Here, you're gonna find everyday moments that aren't picture perfect. I created this channel because I know what it's like to be in the thick of motherhood, where the days blur together and the to-do list never ends. But I believe beauty can be forged right here, in the middle of the mess and the emotions. This is a space for moms, like me, who are choosing to live with intention. Here I will be posting DIY projects that bring life to your home and refresh your heart. Encouragement for when days feel long, and a reminder that you don't have to be doing it all to be doing it well. I share vlogs, slow living, creative moments, and family life. Not because I have it all figured out, because believe me, I don't. And I don't want to pretend that I do. But because I want you to know you're not alone, especially while you're trying to figure it out too. If you're craving connection, simplicity, and the kind of encouragement that meets you in the middle of real life, between folding the laundry, cooking dinner, and that quick moment you stepped outside just to take a breather without anyone else, you're in the right place. Because here, we're not chasing perfection.
So whether you're chasing a toddler barefoot, planting a garden, or just folding laundry, you're welcome here. Subscribe if you want to connect, slow down, and forge something beautiful in everyday life. And until next time, let's continue to forge forward and flourish together.